Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by gathering precise ingredients to ensure a smooth chocolate fudge frosting. Measure 2 cups powdered sugar, 6 tablespoon unsalted butter, 3 tablespoon unsweetened cocoa, 2 tablespoon heavy cream, 1 tsp vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. Soften the butter at room temperature for about 20 minutes so it creams easily. Do not melt. Sift the powdered sugar and cocoa together to avoid lumps and to keep the texture silky. Have a rubber spatula, electric mixer, and a medium bowl ready before you begin. Cream the softened butter in a medium bowl with an electric mixer on medium speed for 1 minute until pale and fluffy. Add the sifted powdered sugar and cocoa in thirds, alternating with 2 tablespoon heavy cream and 1 tsp vanilla, scraping the bowl after each addition to ensure even mixing. Start mixing on low to incorporate sugar without dust, then increase to medium and beat for 2 to 3 minutes until the frosting is glossy and smooth. Adjust with 1 additional tablespoon cream for spreadability if needed. If your cake is still warm, let it cool completely before frosting, otherwise the frosting will melt. For a firmer texture, chill the frosting for about 10 minutes, then spread using an offset spatula for smooth, even coverage on a cooled 9-inch layer cake or cupcakes. To rework stiff frosting, let it sit at room temperature for 15 minutes and rebeat for 30 seconds. Store leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 7 days or freeze up to 3 months. Bring to room temperature before use.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.